Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are talking about one tool. That tool name is VirusTotal. So it's a powerful online tool that helps you check files, link, website for malware and threats. So it's a very useful tool we are using. Not only we are using, it's used in multiple infrastructure, multiple organizations to just check and verify that URL or file or folder or IP it's saved or not. So for that purpose we are using this tool. It's a online security service that analyzes the suspicious file and URL using the dozens of antivirus engine and threats scanner at once. So instead of relying only just one antivirus program, you can use this VirusTotal. Also, it show result from the 17 plus different security tool, giving you a broader view of whether something is safe or malicious or not. So basically, why it's useful this tool? Because whenever you are regular user curious about a suspicious download developers or a cybersecurity learner, VirusTotal give you a deeper multi-engine scan that more reliable than a single antivirus alone. So yeah, so that's the reason we are using this tool. So this is a console. So how can we use this tool? Like yeah, so I'm just showing you. I'm just entering here one URL which is youtube.com. If I press enter, so it's just scanning, and here you can see it's showing zero, and there's everything is showing clean. But if I enter here a different URL, so let's see for output. Just I'm going to paste one URL. Yeah, so just hold on. Yeah, see now it's showing one and it's showing this is a malicious, so it's not a safe to use this URL in our domain. So like that you can use this tool and get a output result for your URL and for your file and so you can see this is a home page of the VirusTotal console. So here you can upload a file and here you can use URL and here you can use URL, IP address, domain or file hash, anything. And after that you have to just click on search option and you will get the output like this. Okay, so if here it's showing any number, so it means that file or URL or folder it's not safe. We can't use that type of things in our organization or in our network. Yeah, but it's showing if it's zero, so definitely as per the total virus total security, it's safe. So yeah, so that's the thing in this video. So please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. And yeah, if you have any doubt or if you need any support as a L1, L2, L3 task, so please, I'm requesting you, please drop a message or comment in this video. Definitely, I will make a video on that topic also and share with you guys. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.